Hello and welcome to today's awesome assembly. Now we're going to think about forgiveness, but first of all let's think about Mr. Badger's birthday party, which was yesterday. Some of our Year 6 children put on a great party for Mr. Badger. We had a few people who couldn't come, which reminded us of the parable of the banquet. But Mr. Badger had a great time. Look at him dancing away, bouncing on the parachute and eating too much cake. Still, the Year 6 are a talented little lot and had some delicious cakes, and Mr. Badger had a wonderful time. Just look at those Badger cakes, aren't they great? And thanks to some of our reception children for singing happy birthday, Mr. Badger got lots of lovely birthday cards from children in the school and beyond. Just look at all these wonderful pictures that the children have coloured in from across the school, from reception all the way through to Year 6. Look at that Badger, isn't he fantastic? One child even made a bath for Mr. Badger, and here he is enjoying a bath. He's really relaxed. Look at these balloons and pictures and colouring in that the children have made. And it's not too late to send in a birthday card to Mr. Badger if you want to, and the details will be in the description below. Look at those lovely balloons that the children have made, and the teacher said they did lots of lovely writing. They were really motivated, and one child even made a sleeping bag for Mr. Badger. There are just so many lovely, beautiful, wonderful birthday cards. Yep, and here are some more drawn by some children. They're just amazing. Mr. Badger feels so special that people have written to him. So thank you very much, everybody. Oh, look, he's now getting into the envelope. At the end of the day, he was holding a big bunch of balloons and got blown away and stuck in a tree. Oh no, poor Mr. Badger! Well, today we're going to join Assemblies online as we think about
forgiveness.
Or forgiveness.
I wonder what you think it means to forgive.
What do you think it means, Mr. Badger? Well, Mr. Badger says, press on the link below for second part of our assembly today. Yeah, that's right. Press on the link below for the second part of our assembly and have some great fun. You might even meet that funny bird thing as well. So click on the link below and I'll see you very soon. Bye.